you're dreaming of a charming and nostalgic garden space, adding some to a vintage decor might be the perfect touch. Start with a few old wooden crates or boxes that you can easily repurpose into rustic planters. Stack them, paint them in soft pastels, or leave them naturally weathered for an authentic aged look. These crates can be filled with flowering plants like lavender, daisies, or petunias, creating a cozy vintage vibe. Consider using an old bicycle as a planter. Place it near a wall or garden path and add baskets to the front and back filled with colorful blooms. This classic and whimsical piece immediately adds personality to your garden, making it feel like a step back in time. The chipped paint and war, not metal, will only add to the charm. Mason jars are incredibly versatile and fit beautifully into vintage garden aesthetics. Use them to create hanging lanterns by wrapping wire around the necks and suspending them from tree branches or pergola. Add tea light candles or fairy lights inside for a soft, romantic glow during evening hours. This small touch can make your outdoor space feel magical. Scour thrift stores or flea markets for vintage teacups and saucers. These delicate pieces can be transformed into charming mini planters for succulents or small herbs. Place them on an old wooden table or stack them on metal stands to add dimension and interest. They're also perfect for adding color and a touch of elegance to a garden corner. If you have an old ladder lying around, don't throw it away. Instead, stand it against a wall or tree and use it as a vertical plant shelf. Place potted flowers or herbs on each step. You can also hang small baskets or trailing vines from the side. It's a simple yet impactful way to create a vintage garden display. Upcycle an old window frame and turn it into garden wall decor. You can hang it on a fence or garden wall to give the illusion of a secret garden beyond. Paint it white and lightly distress it for a shabby chic effect. Add climbing plants like ivy or roses around it to blend it beautifully into the garden setting. Metal watering cans and galvanized buckets make excellent plant containers. Fill them with blooming flowers, ornamental grasses, or herbs, and place them along your garden paths or on stairways. These rustic elements instantly bring an old world charm to your garden space and are durable for outdoor use. A vintage birdcage can be turned into a unique hanging planter. You can paint it to match your garden theme and fill the inside with moss, trailing vines, or even fairy lights. Hang it from a tree branch, garden hook, or pergola for a romantic and whimsical garden element that doubles as art. Old chairs or benches can find new life in your vintage garden. Remove the seat of a wooden chair and place a pot or basket of flowers in its place. A metal bench can be dressed up with floral cushions and placed under a tree for a quiet reading nook or photo-worthy spot. Lastly, don't forget the power of natural wear and imperfection. Let some metal pieces rust gracefully, leave wooden items slightly chipped, and embrace mismatched styles. The charm of a vintage garden lies in its relaxed and collected over time look. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Thanks for watching.